Welcome to another Helix Solutions video. Today I'm going to show you how to fix digital workplace requests failing to create business workflow cases. So let's get to it. So here we are in DWP and I'm just going to show you real quick the service here. We can click Spot Test, Actions, Open, just to look at it, snoop it around. We can click on Workflow so that you can see it and edit here. And as you can see, this is a very simple catalog service. It will just create a case in Business Workflow. If you click here, you can see I've mapped my variables here, the template ID, subcatalog ID, service request, and service request ID, which are required. So everything looks good here. Okay, so we're going to cancel here all of these. And we're just going to go to Digital Workplace, and we're going to request for this service. So let me show you that. So you can see I'm in my digital workplace interface and I'm just going to select that request. And you can see I click here. It's going to prompt me to request. So I'm just going to click request now. I'm just going to add a simple summary, a simple question, and I'm going to click on submit request. It's submitted. But if you notice, you can see that the request is at fault. So if we open it, so as you can see, I've opened the request and you can see the status is at fault. If you click on the I here, it will give you more context on the error. Looks like we are missing the subcatalog information in DWPC. So that's what we need to do to fix this. So let me show it to you. So to fix this, in Digital Workplace Catalog, you want to go to Catalog and then click on Subcatalogs. And as you can see, we have the Business Workflow subcatalog. So we select this one. We click on the actions to look at it. We click Open. And we can see that we already have one bundled service added to it. So we're going to click on Bundles and Services, and we're going to click on Add. And as you can see, my Digital Workplace request catalog is there, but it doesn't have a catalog name set. That's why the error is happening. So what we have to do, we have to select it and we have to add the catalog name to it. Just like that, I added it. Now you can see my count has increased. I close it and let's test it now that we have fixed it. So now I'm back in Digital Workplace and I've added the faulty catalog service into the bundle that we needed, which was the Business Workflow Bundles and Services. So now what I have to do, I have to request it again to test it. It was called Spot here. You can see it's our top hit. We click on it, we click Request Now. Just a sample summary, sample question. We submit the request. It goes through. So great, as you can see, it's working now. The status is in progress. It has been submitted, auto approved because it doesn't require an approval. The requested for is Alan, and you can see that it has given us a fulfillment ticket number, which is the business workflow case. Essentially, we are fixing the issue. We have fixed the issue. So we copy the case number in question. All we have to do here is go here to business workflow, paste in here, and boom. Here's our case, and our fulfillment ticket is correctly created, and our Digital Workplace request is correctly created as well. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to our channel, BMC Remedy and Discovery. See you in the next one.